Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic 2 Waypoints 2.0 Q&A with DJI support coming up next. On Saturday, I took the Mavic 2 Pro out and tested Waypoints 2.0, and you've probably seen my video. I want to thank you all for your excellent comments and outstanding questions. What I did with your questions was pose them to DJI support, and I got a number of responses, so I thought I'd go ahead and share those with you. So without any further ado, I'm going to put the first slide up on the screen. And this is from a subscriber of mine, Bosk Bill. He posed the question to me, and I had a number of you send this question to me as well. Are lateral sensors collision avoidance active in the new Waypoints 2.0? And I told Bill, I asked DJI support that question, Bill, and DJI support's response, hi Bill, no, lateral vision systems is not available in Waypoints. So we have an answer for that. Next question. Couple questions about Waypoints 2 for the Mavic 2. Why was the speed limited to a maximum of 17.5 miles per hour? Also, are you aware there's an issue with the pan and tilt feature? Thank you. The response from DJI, hi Bill, for the speed limit of Waypoints 2, we'll check with our engineers. Regarding the pan and tilt feature, may we have more details of the issue? Do you refer to? Thank you. What I'm going to be doing is testing pan and tilt this weekend so I can give them some details, so stay tuned for updates on that. Now we'll go to the next one here. From DJI support, new Mavic 2 Pro Zoom firmware update is now available. Click here to see what's new. Watch this tutorial to know how to update. Question underneath that. Any idea when this will be available for Android and Crystal Sky? This is DJI support's response. Hi Bill, the V4 3.12 for Android was released at a staged rollout and it will be available for all soon. Regarding the app update of the Crystal Sky, our engineers are working on it and will release soon. So that's the answer regarding the Crystal Sky right there. Now we'll go ahead and go to the next page. New DJI Smart Controller firmware is available, v01.00.0350. This update comes with the German and Spanish system language and more optimizations. Click here for more information. Now we're going to go ahead and go to the DJI Smart Controller release notes. And the one that I want to call your attention to is all the way at the bottom. It's the last bullet point. Updated the built-in DJI Go 4 app to V4 3.3.12, which includes the new Waypoints feature. Okay, so we had some questions and answers there from DJI. What I'm planning on doing this weekend is going out again to do some very thorough testing. Unfortunately, I was planning on doing that on Sunday last week. However, we had an all-day rain, so I was unable to get outside today. So that's it for right now. And as I get any more of these, I'll be sure to post them and let you know. Question of the day. Have you tried Waypoints 2.0 on your Mavic 2? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates